What's up guys, today we're gonna learn outro sound effect. Let's get into it. Let's say this is my ending clip. Now let's add the ending music. Now what you wanna do is hold Alt, then click on left mouse button on that volume bar to make a dot point on both ends of the sides. This will help you to change the volume gradually as you want. In this case we want to have an outro sound effect, so we decrease the volume on the right dot. Go to Effects, Audio Effects, go to Reverb, select the Studio Reverb and drag it to your clip. Now select FX. Now on Custom Setup, click Edit. Now on the Presets tab, I like Great Hall.